Hey everyone, it's Sarah Photo here, and I am here planning for the first week of February, which starts on February 4th and goes to the 10th. Sorry in advance about my nails. I didn't have time to do them this morning, but I'm going to continue with a horizontal theme and do the heartbeat from the EKG monitor, and I'm just going to go ahead and get started. Alright, so that is my setup for the week. I did not have my work computer while I was sketching this out, so I only have a few things that I remembered. Mostly things on Monday and a couple meetings on Thursday, but I don't really remember if I have any other meetings on Tuesday or Wednesday, or even on Monday. I don't know. I was gone at the end of the week, so I'm not quite sure, but I will fill in all that stuff. So that's it, and I hope you guys are having a great week, or have a great week if you're watching this at the start of this week, and I will see you later. Bye everyone.